Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 7-bedroom, 6-bathroom house for sale in Catherine Mount, Montego Bay. The land area of this house is approximately 2,913 square feet. This centrally located multifamily home boasts 5 self-contained apartments, 4 studio units, and 1 3-bedroom apartment. It is minutes away from Cornwall Regional Hospital, supermarkets, gas station, and other major amenities. This is ideal for income earning, long or short-term rental. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $250,000 or Jamaican $38.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.